Hello, and welcome to another helpful video. At least I hope they're helpful. This particular one is on Unit 2, Lesson 9, Disaster Preparation. And the idea of this is that you have to complete tables by using equivalent fractions. So let's take a look at a table and see how we can complete it. There's actually a few different ways to think about it. I'm going to start by thinking about it vertically. So, how do I go from 500 to 55,000? Well, to figure that out, I'm going to divide. 55,000 divided by 500 is 110, so I'm multiplying by 110. So, I should multiply each of these by 110. 2,000 times 110 is 220,000 pounds in this case. 4,000 gallons times 110 is 440,000 gallons. 100 tenths times 110 is 11,000 tenths. Similarly, how do we get from 500 to 300,000? So I'll divide 300,000 divided by 500, and I get times 600. So we'll be multiplying by 600. Times 600 times 600. So, 2,000 times 600 is 1,200,000. 4,000 times 600 is 2,400,000. This is pounds, and this is gallons. 100 times 600, 60,000 tenths. So, does that method make sense? Clear off all this work that's shown. Oops, I do want to keep the word pounds. Okay, get rid of these, and then rewrite the word pounds. Easy enough so far? I just want to show you another way so that we can use that way also. We should get the same answers. So it doesn't matter which way you use, it should work either way. So instead of going vertically, we're going to go horizontally. So how do I get from 500 to 2,000? So I'll do 2,000 divided by 500 is 4. So I'll do 55. So this is times 4, and we'll multiply each of these times 4. 55,000 times 4 is 220,000 pounds. And I think you will find that's exactly the same number that we got before. 300,000 times 4 is 1,200,000 pounds. Then, so do you see how this works? I would then figure out 4,000 divided by 500. That's 8, so we'll multiply each of these by 8. So it's 440,000 gallons and 2,400,000 pounds. And then to get from 500 to 100, I'm actually going to divide by 5. So 55,000 divided by 5 is 11,000 tenths. And 300,000 divided by 5 is 60,000 pounds. And you'll see that these are the exact same numbers, so it doesn't matter which way you go as long as you are consistent. If you go from vertically or horizontally, just multiply and divide by the same numbers and it should work out. I hope this was helpful. If you still need help,